Football star David Beckham and his family. The Beckhams are a very famous family. David Beckham is a world-famous footballer, and his wife Victoria has a fashion business. They have four children, three sons, Brooklyn, Romeo and Cruz, and a daughter, Harper. Both football and fashion are important for the family. All the children love football. Even little Harper, Victoria's sister, Louise has a fashion boutique, and Brooklyn works there on Saturdays. Romeo is a fashion model for Burberry. They are a rich family. They have four houses in London, California, Dubai, and the south of France. But they are a normal family too. They like family time at home. The parents work at. They have a charity for young people. The Victoria and David Beckham Charitable Trust, and David works for UNICEF.